Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Max watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the GLORYFIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the GLORYFIT application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on device icon, and on this page you should see R3 Max right here. Now find the options like call reminder, SMS reminder, and app reminder. First, let's tap on call reminder. If you want to receive the notifications about calls, so basically if somebody is calling you on your phone, the watch will vibrate and display who's calling you. If you want to use that, tap on the switch and allow the required permissions, like this. And then you can also enable the option to reject the calls with the button. You can also delay the alert, and if you enable the delay, you can set the delay to for example 10 seconds if you want to. So basically, after you receive the call on your phone, the watch will wait 10 seconds and then it will start alerting you about the call. Next, we have the SMS reminder, basically messages. So if you want to receive the notifications about messages, turn it on, tap on I got it, and allow the required permission. And that's it. Then we have the app reminder. So basically notifications from applications on your phone. If you want to use this, you need to tap on confirm. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. Here you need to find the GLORYFIT application, tap on it, tap on allow notification access, tap on allow, and then you can go back. And you should be able to turn on and off the notifications for specific apps. And you have a list of apps. As you can see, we have YouTube, Messenger, Gmail, WhatsApp, Skype, QQ, and stuff like that. But we can also tap on select more apps, and here we should see more apps, I believe. Oh, you need to tap on select more apps button again, and here we have apps, and you can select app, and then go back, and it will appear right here on the list. Basically, how it works: if you enable the notifications for app, for example, let's say for WhatsApp, and you receive the notification from WhatsApp on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you disable it, you will see the notification only on your phone. It won't be forwarded to your watch. That's how it works. Okay, so enable the notifications for the apps you want, and that's about it. Now we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna check if I'm logged into Discord. And I am. So we're gonna close this, send myself a message to Discord, or rather on Discord. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check if we got it on our watch, and we did. Here we have it. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can swipe either up or down its up on the home screen to open the notification panel. And here we can see it. We can tap on it to display it, and we can remove it by tapping on the bin icon. And okay, that's about all. That's how you enable the notifications on this watch, or rather for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.